Hey everyone, if you might have seen in the
so
last
many
video
kids.
that me and Joey uploaded,
Yeah, because the brothers' birthdays are so
you
close,
guys
so she just does one
did
party.
not see this
They were like,
because
I don't know, 40.
Joey
What?
secretly put a fidget spinner
Yeah, there was over 40 kids there.
in my slime, so we need to get it out and figure out why he did this.
Oh yeah,
Let's
no,
go
it's just
in.
the party.
Wow!
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Yeah, we went there
Doesn't look
once.
so bad, right guys? Purple
For
and
I
pink.
thought you came with me. I can't remember who came. Oh, I think Michelle met me.
Yeah.
We did like a free play once because I had heard a lot of people saying how great it was. It's kind of small, but they had a good. They have a good time. They like it.
Oh,
So
this is
they never want to leave.
Yeah. Let me. Oh my gosh, guys! Do you see Ma put his fidget spinner in mine?
And
Let's go see
on the
it.
way there, we
First,
took the
let's
Southern
shake it
State
up.
because it's
Do you
close
see
to
the fidget
Southern
spinner?
State.
Oh, there it is! Oh
But
my
Joey
gosh,
was complaining all the way there that
look at that! It's making a booty. It's making a booty.
Here on the way back, we took the LA.
Look at it.
So far.
It's not getting out.
It took forever to get
Scary.
home, and considering
Stop!
how I
But
was
why'd you
feeling,
put
I
it in there? Oh, I know. This video, right? Hey,
Yeah,
there's nothing in.
not good.
It's making there's no fidget spinners in here.
No.
There's no. Wait, Emma, why did you do that? I did that because you got revenge on me, so I can revenge on you. And why did you do it for me? For this slime video! Oh, I'm just kidding. I did it so song for you! Wow! Yes! It's a slime video. It's a slime vid, yeah. If you want one of these, you have to go to, if you have a party at Shazam, you can get one. Maybe if they buy it for you. What? My friend's mom bought it for me, everybody, because it was his birthday today, and he just turned 6. And he had a brother named Nicholas. Slime is falling everywhere, and he had the same birthday with him, and he turned. What number is he? What number is he?
6, and I'm dead, so I'm
No, I'm talking about his brother, Nicholas. And he's not 1, not 2, not 2,
And then
3,
everybody tends to
not
say
4,
by the.
not 5, not
It's
6,
tight in there.
but 7. He's 7.
Wow, he is old. Now I'm gonna throw this slime in your video, so it will be ruined.
And look at this fidget spinner. I'm going to show you it goes really fast.
And you won't fix it. Are you ready for some slime?
And you,
There
are
we go.
you ready for some slime to your face? Wait. Wait, are you ready for some slime in the face? It's about to kill. Dang it. What's going on here? Oh my goodness! What did I say about slime? Put it away.
Yeah,
Bye.
but like there's more room.
Mommy,
Yeah, but there's more room like in the main area, like
Mommy,
for
can I have
everybody to be
a
together if they
towel?
want. You know.
Oh my gosh, I'm making fart noises. Hello. We're cleaning up over here because of Joey's spooky slime.
Yeah, I would like.
Anyways,
That's
thanks for
what
watching.
nobody
So much for watching
has.
Emma Rose's World. And if you want this or this, and for a customer shot in our next week's video, comment down below if you ever play with fidget spinners or slime, or how to scare a person come to your house and throw slime in your face. Or maybe Hydra Swine and put your favorite secret eyeball inside.
Yeah. So comment down below that. And,
Or your tooth.
ew.
Or
So
maybe your favorite species.
and don't miss our next video.